So, how did I end up in this business? Well, I've been interested in, you can't say the internet business all my life because it just wasn't around, back in the day. I built my first website in the late 90s, pre Google, I think. But anyway, prior to that, I was interested in, ways to make money. So, I tried all sorts of things. I've been in business since I was 17. My first business I opened while I was at college. I had employees and warehouse staff, vehicles, etc. back then at the tender age of 17, obviously only a few years ago, right? And I've tried many, many things throughout my life in order to make money. I've had a mail order business. I've had a business where I would get people to post me their photographs, and I'd send the photographs to artists in China who would carefully paint them in oil and then send the paintings back to me, and I'd send those out to the clients. And all these things, right? All these things. But how this all started for me was just a few years ago. Everything was really against me, all right? It was a tough time. Business was struggling. I was in debt. I'd recently lost my dad. And it was just, I was in a bad place, I was in a dark place. I didn't have any income coming in, and I didn't know where the income was going to come from. But I'd seen people making money online, and I'd seen people making serious money online. So I decided that's it, I'm just going to go for it. And I just literally took a huge leap of faith and just went full steam into, I guess, what you could call internet marketing. All right. And fast forward to today, my life has completely changed. I've turned it around, and I'm so grateful, so grateful. Now, yeah, I do work hard, but I enjoy what I do, and I also enjoy helping other people. And that's why I'm so excited and so proud about what we recently released. Now, you may have seen me emailing this out to you. You may not. Chances are you have seen it, and chances are you've already joined it. If you have, then congratulations, and really excited to work with you and build your internet marketing business for you. So this is called the 100K Alliance. This is our flagship coaching program. I say, well, it's not even a coaching program to us. Yes, you get coaching, right? But what it is a done for you solution, all right? A done for you solution. We build your internet marketing business for you. We work by your side until you get to 10K per month. The first goal is $2,200 in 32 days, and it's genuine stuff. Now, I've got to tell you this. On the sales page, I'm going to show you in a second, I've added this to the sales page now, is a copy of a genuine conversation between myself and Fergal. And as it kind of followed through, I was like, I've got to put this on the sales page because I couldn't believe, I was absolutely genuinely shocked, right? He showed his stats from Warrior Plus. This is from a new Warrior Plus account that he set up just to test this strategy, which is the module 1 of the 100K Alliance, all right? And I looked at those stats and I was like, oh my, I don't believe this. That's like, you'll see in a second the figures, but each promo, like it's like $500, $400, $300 per promo. And I knew how he was doing it, but I knew what he was doing. I'd seen what he was doing, but I was thinking, well, probably doesn't get many results from that. When he showed me, I was like, this is just amazing. Anyway, I'll tell you what, let me show you that conversation now, and you'll know what I'm talking about. So Fergal says, here's some of the results I've had with it. I say, nice. And this is part of the 100K Alliance training. He says, yep, that's the first traffic method I teach. I say, sick. And it takes pretty much no work once set up. And he says, zero work. I just pay her once per month. I say, I'm putting this conversation on the sales page. This is amazing. I think I need to take the 100K Alliance training. And this here is an actual screenshot of that conversation between me and Fergal. This is completely genuine, guys. Completely genuine. And it's when I see stuff like this, that's why I get so excited. And that's why I go all in with my recommendation that you come and join us. All right. You come and join us. This has been very popular already. We closed it. We opened it. We closed it. We then got everybody in, opened up some more spots. They went, got them in, opened up some more spots. They went, and I've now got some more spots available for you. So if you were disappointed because it was closed and you thought, I really wanted to get in, now you can get in. All right, now you can get in. This is just unbelievable. These are the conversions. All right, so sorry, these are the commissions, and you can see that I've highlighted them over here. And if we add all of this up, that's $3,907. And I checked with Fergal just a little while ago before I put this image on the sales page, just to make sure, that these were absolutely from what we've got for you inside the 100K Alliance. And he confirmed, absolutely, this is it. And this is just the beginning, because aside from this, you get to make some serious money, all right? Because, I mean, if this isn't serious enough, but we're also included in this a done-for-you high-ticket funnel where you can make, let me just work out exactly how you can make, actually, 1 second. So you can make up to $495.50 per sale, per visitor, all right? But you can actually make more than that, because in the first upgrade that we've got for you, there's an opportunity to increase that. And I would definitely recommend you take that one, because it's going to make a big difference going forward. Now, at the moment, we're letting people in for a bit of a stupidly low price. Oh, it's not stupid for you. It's awesome for you, because this is like the first release of this. And so right now you can grab this for just $497. That is underpriced, and we know it's underpriced, but we want to get a nice lump of you guys in so we can work with you, so we can get results. Because obviously this kind of business is where, the more money you make, the better for us, because we want you to make money. We want to be able to take your success stories and show other people your success stories, so we can help more and more people. So at the moment, and I don't know how long for, it's going to be just $497 to get in. Are there upsells? Yes, there are upsells. It's a very simple funnel. There may be more upsells added in the future, but right now what we've got is the front end, which is at $497. And if you come onto this page, you'll see this video here is going to tell you pretty much all about this offer and give you a good idea of what it is and what we're doing for you. So the front end is $497, and then we've got the first upgrade, which is called the OTO1, the one-time offer number 1, and that is the commission bump. So that's going to give you the opportunity to take those high ticket commissions and make them even higher. Very good upsell, very popular upsell. So when you see that, I would grab that, because here's the thing: when we're selling at $497, you obviously get 50% commissions if you join us. And by the way, you're the only people that can earn the commissions, the members. All right, that's again what makes this really powerful, because it's extremely popular. It's converting like crazy, and you'll have the chance to sell this as well yourself. So you're going to get 50% commissions. If you take the first upgrade, you're going to get 65% commissions. When we increase this to like 997, 1497, 1997, 2497, etc., you're locked in at this super low price, but your commissions, the amount you earn, goes up every single time we increase the price. You can see, so this is going to be absolutely so cool. So on this page as well, if you come down here, apart from, we've got why should you join us, there's a list of reasons why you should join us, etc. But down the bottom is the webinar replay. So if you haven't had a chance to watch the webinar yet, then you might want to watch that, because you'll find out a lot about this offer in there and see whether it's a fit for you. In my opinion, this is a fit for everybody, because what we're doing here is literally providing you with a done-for-you business. We're going to set it up for you, and then we're going to work with you by your side until you get results. So here are some of the reasons that this is a no-brainer. It's a done-for-you solution. You save years of learning, trial and error. We've done all that. We've done all the learning. We've done all the trial and error. We've spent all the money learning this stuff, getting it wrong, etc. And now we've worked out exactly what works. You save thousands of dollars in wasted investments in programs that simply don't work. All this stuff that is being released on a daily basis, a lot of it is just trash, isn't it? And it doesn't get us results. And that's always been the same. You know, when I was trying to get into this a few years ago, that I went through all of this. I went through the trial and error. I went through the invested in these programs and trying them and just getting disappointed because they wouldn't work. So you save all of that. You get to work closely with 3 super affiliates. I don't say that to big us up, just that's what we're called in the industry, who have got $5 million plus under our belt. And we're gonna be inside the Facebook group. The Facebook group is already extremely lively. People getting stuck in, getting started. We're in there supporting you, so you're not left on, to your own devices. You're not left alone to work this out. We're with you. We're with you. All right. This is why this is so good. We've got a fast track system to get you started on to your way to $2,200 per month in 32 days. We'll work with you by your side until you reach that magical figure of $10,000 per month, which was the figure that when I was starting this business was always the figure I'd say to people, well, how much are you earning per month? People that were doing this, and it was like 10 grand per month. And I'm like, wow, that'd be amazing. So we're going to work with you until you get to that. You'll earn high ticket commissions with our done for you funnel. There's no need to build your own offer. There's no need to do copywriting or sales pages or sales videos. You don't need any design skills. There's no tested required. As I said, we've done all that for you. You don't need your face on camera. You don't need your voice and microphone. We handle the product delivery. We handle the support. You get access to all future updates at no extra charge. So as we build this, you come in at this super low price now. You get all the future updates, no extra charge. You're grandfathered in at the lowest price regardless of how high we go. No extra charges going forward. We host it all on our servers, and we have a private community for support and accountability and success. So that's why I think you should join this. This is a fantastic opportunity. It's something that I wish I'd had when I was starting out, but I didn't. But now we've got this, and we're doing this for you. And just to show you that this is genuine and I'm not making it up, that it's popular, these are the notifications we get through from Warrior Plus when we get a sale. We opened this on the 14th of September, and here you can see all the people that have joined in the last few days. It's only been a few days, and yeah, I think that speaks for itself. Now, as I said, the other thing is as well is that as a member, apart from everything else that's in, and there's a ton of stuff inside here, apart from us building your internet marketing business and working by your side and all the support that you get and everything else, there is a ton of content in here that you can draw on our experience, and you can learn everything you need to know about money making, making money online and the way we do it and that sort of thing. But as a member, you are guaranteed approval to promote this very high converting high ticket offer and make those massive commissions in a marketplace where just a few of you, compared to how many affiliates usually promote an offer, this is a tiny speck of one little star in the universe, one grain of sand on a beach compared to that. So you've got the massive advantage of being able to come in and, as a normal person, not as a super affiliate, not as one of the super affiliates on Warrior Plus and JVZoo, you get to promote this. It's straight out the gate, brand new, fresh, fantastically popular. You get to promote that. So that is definitely one of the big attractions as well, but there are so many to this. Now, you'll be working with myself, Fergal and Max, and if you watch the video, the sales video on the sales page, and if you watch the webinar replay, I'm sure you'll discover that we're just 3 genuine guys who absolutely really do care. And all we want is to see your success. So if you like the idea of that, then if I was you, I'd jump on this as soon as possible. Number one, because I don't know when we're going to close the doors, because we can't have too many people in there at one time. Number two, the price is going up, and because of and you've seen how many were sold, so clearly the price is too low at the moment, so we're going to need to bring that price up. So at the moment, I do have spaces and the price is at the lowest, so please don't hesitate, just go ahead, join us and we will see you on the inside. All right, as always, if you've got any questions, please do let me know, but go for it. All right, you won't regret this. This is going to change everything for you. go ahead and join, and I'll see you on the inside. You take care. Speak to you soon.